This next video is from a guy. I don't know. It look like he going through some things, man. It says, "Be careful who you date."
Goodness, y'all. Real issue.
I've already taken care of these bitches' kids.
Whoa.
I've already raised them for years at a time. It wasn't enough. They don't want no father figure. They want a crash dummy. I was already that guy where she was able to work full time and she didn't have to pay for a babysitter. She finally got what she wanted in life. She gets to keep her paychecks, drive the boyfriend's car. She ain't had to worry about gas. It was full all the time. Make her money, didn't have to spend it. That wasn't enough. Be careful. Be careful who y'all date out here. Y'all gentlemen, y'all do a lot. And I appreciate y'all hard work, but be careful where y'all spend y'all money. Be careful, especially with these single mothers out here with mad kids. Like, what the fuck?
That boy mad. Hey, he got this mother pissed off. Let me sit in this doggone car and turn this TikTok on real quick.
He hot.
Hey, the
He called real.
mother-
Trying not to crash out.
Oh, man, good grief. Hey, I thought this dude was about to go on, to be like something like inspirational. I really thought this was gonna be inspirational. Hey guys, I'm so thankful to be in the space that I am in. I got this phenomenal woman. We got some children. We working. We doing this. That boy started off with a curse word. He called him the B word.
That
Dang.
man is hot.
Hey, this is the appropriate comment. Who hurt you? Like who the heck done did that, man? He
It sounds
said,
like multiple people. It don't
yeah.
sound like one. He
I
said,
pay. He said I pay bills. I mean, she didn't have to work about. She didn't have to worry about working. He took care of the gas. Man, he seemed like he did everything. Work, didn't complain. Ah, dog. Salute to this brother, man. Can we have a moment of silence for this brother, please? No, I'm sure.
please, please.
Good grief.
I just don't get it, man.
Now
What
I
you-
thought this was because I seen another video. It was a different guy,
Hmm.
and it looked like he said the same exact thing. So I don't know if he's taking the audio from that video and
Hmm.
using it on
Oh,
here.
Hmm.
mm.
But if he feel the same way, then
I'm looking at his eyes. No, he passionate. No, this is real
yeah.
passion, right? He not playing. That
Let's
ain't
see real.
acting.
Maybe the other guy. Maybe the other guy took his audio.
Right, that's what that was.
Hey, it could have been that too.
This is the original. This is the original right here.
Heck yeah, you can look at how he talking, boy. Man, come on, man. God, dog. Hey, that boy punching the air like on Minister. Was it Minister
Mm.
Society?
Yeah, boys in the hood.
Yeah, boy. That boy just swinging.
Trey.
What the-
Damn, Trey.
Yeah, that's what.
Hey, and I know that this is more relevant than
Ooh.
even my story and all that stuff. This is really what's happening.
Mm-hmm.
I hear it way too often as well. This is really real. Um,
Okay.
all I would say to this is, people, why get stuck at a job that you know you're miserable at? Why get stuck in a relationship that ain't working for you? Why get stuck in a friendship that's one-sided? Like, you have options. I am not saying they're easy. What I am saying, they're available.
Mhm.
That's all I'm getting at. They're available. Ain't nobody holding you hostage like that. You holding yourself hostage. When you know that it ain't good for you, then you can give it another shot and see what's happening. Maybe you was just tripping and say, hey, you know what? I'm gonna give that one to you. But the next one is on me. If I allow the next one to still do what the first one did, as far as like the same scenario, man, this ain't baseball. You ain't getting three strikes at this. I'm out.
Mm.
I'm out. So I don't
This-
understand why you miserable at that job or the relationship or the friendship. Stop.
Ain't no way.
Stop.
Ain't no way. I'm gonna tell you something, dog. Hey,
It's
I
just as
guarantee
simple as
you.
that. Stop.
I
It's
guarantee
hard,
you she probably got a
but
big
it's
butt.
simple.
I guarantee it.
Oh well.
She got a big butt and probably big breasts. I guarantee. Listen. I
What's
guarantee.
hard?
I go on this what's her name. I go on this young brother's TikTok or whatever. Scroll down, see his that ex or the women that he's been choosing. I guarantee guarantee it, man. Because I done seen
I
too
mean,
much of this doggone content. Y'all know
like
we
I
do
said,
this every day, all day. I done reviewed, thousands of content, and it's the same pattern. Most of these guys that are complaining and talking like this, mo
yeah,
big butt, big breast, it never
right.
fails. I'm telling
Never
you.
fail. So
Takes
in
the
the
Mine
same
is the
jungle.
thing.
big
Go ahead.
Mine
Go
is
ahead.
the big butt and the big breast. It brings me back to that video from earlier with the woman that was detoxing. Like this
Mm.
could eventually be that guy that, not saying that it is or
True.
whatever, but it
This can
could.
be his story. Yep.
This could eventually be his story.
Yep.
Mm,
That is true.
dang.
And you're exactly right. I thought about him too. I thought about him too. It could end up like that. But
Mm,
I guarantee you, if it gets to a point where it's like this, he still has an opportunity to say, all right, that's it, that's enough, I'm done. This ain't working for me, right? But if he never gave it a shot and never gave the chance for the once in a lifetime happiness forever shot, and then what you working with? If you still run into some people that's doing you that way anyway, you ain't even give it a shot ever,
mhm.
ever.
Mhm.
When you
Ever?
gonna give it a shot? Right. That's what I'm on. So yeah, I totally get it. But yeah, I just it was something that I
Now
wanted
I'm
to
just
say about that. What was he talking about? You said this cat. I can't even remember. Go ahead, T. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
no, I think I was about to just think like what, yeah, I'm just thinking like what happened, like what,
Oh, that's what I
again,
was.
yeah, like just what happened to where, like, okay, again, almost like the whole marriage situation. I'm sure I feel like I'm sure in situations like this, you've at least been with this person or in this relationship for
Mm-hmm.
a couple of years at least. Like, so what happened that she finally was like, thank you for your time,
Yeah.
but your
Then
services is not
hey,
no
hey,
longer.
because it sounded like he had like 3, 4 women that did the same thing, and that's why he like I'm
Mm-hmm.
fed up with it. So my
Mm-hmm.
thing is to change your location or the destination or whatever. You going into the jungle, you're hunting lions, and you tripping that you just got scratched, and then you go through those those little bumps and bruises of the scratching because it's a lion. And then he's like, you scratching too hard, I'm out. And then you go over here again and you go into the same jungle,
Mm.
different wilderness, but it's the same what they call each of the tribe,
Mhm.
so now you go to
Yeah.
another lion. And then you get scratched over time again. And it cuts deeper than the first one because at least the first one you got a chance to get used to. This one comes straight off top, scratch, like deep. And then
Mm.
you bandage, you get yourself back right, and you go right back into the dang on jungle again, hunting another lion. And you gonna
Mm.
come out telling me this at the end that you tired of getting scratched? But get out of the jungle.
I can see what they're doing, what he's doing. I can see it, I feel it. He's cooking.
But don't nobody want to hear about, hey man, why don't you how the old school say, man, go to church, man, some good girls up in there. No, man, I ain't trying to do all that. All right, well, keep getting scratched then. Keep getting scratched. Go
Mm.
ahead. That's where you gonna keep on going. You gonna keep going there and you want something different. All right, man, dog, I ain't got no sympathy for you, dog. Straight up. I ain't got nothing for you. Because you got control of what it is that you want.
Mhm.
That's what you want. That's what you like. That's what you desire. But you trying to turn it into something else. You can't turn that into nothing else. Even like I said, you go to the club, you find that girl in the club, you're gonna lose her in that club. That ain't no wife. I ain't saying because she was there one night. I'm talking about this what she do.
Facts,
This what
facts.
she do. And you know that's what she do.
All
You
right, we
try to
got.
hunt her down because you saw her with other cats over the last couple of years. So you know that's what she do. You know that's what she on. And then you want to try to have her love you for life? You tripping. As soon as you ain't available in the club, she on to the next one. You better go with that. Get out the jungle.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.